Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to learn an important JavaScript concept that every beginner and intermediate developer must understand. This concept is widely used in real-world web development projects and helps you write clean, efficient, and professional JavaScript code. If you want to build interactive websites, improve your logic, and move one step closer to becoming a professional web developer, then this video is for you. In this tutorial, I will explain everything step by step in a simple and easy way, with clear examples, so even beginners can understand it without any confusion. Make sure you watch this video till the end, because the concepts we cover today will be very useful for your future projects and interviews. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Intermediate, JavaScript explained. This level is for students who already know basic JavaScript and now want to understand how real websites work. Functions. What is a function? A function is a block of code that does a job. You can use it again and again without rewriting the same code. Why do we use functions? To save time, to avoid repeating code, to make code clean and readable. Example, normal function. JS, function greet, name, return hello plus name. How does it work? Greet is the function name. Name is input, parameter. It returns a greeting message. JS, greet, Ali, output, hello Ali. Arrow function, modern way, JS. Const greet equal to name, equal to greater than hello plus name. Why arrow functions? Shorter code, used in modern JavaScript and React. Easy to read. Arrays. What is an array? An array stores multiple values in one variable. JS. Let fruits equal to apple, banana, mango. Why arrays? To store lists, users, products, numbers. To manage data easily. Important array methods. Push. Add item at the end. JS. Fruits.push. Orange. Pop. Remove last item. JS. Fruits.pop. Shift. Remove first item. JS. Fruits. Shift. Unshift. Add item at start. JS. Fruits.unshift. Grapes. Map. What is map? It creates a new array by changing each item. JS. Let numbers equal to 1, 2, 3. Let double equal to numbers.map. Num equal tonum. 2. Output. 2, 4, 6. Used when you want to transform data. Filter. What is filter? It removes unwanted values. JS let ages equal to 10, 18, 25, 12. Let adults equal to ages. Filter. Age equal toge greater than equal to 18. Output. 18, 25. Used in search, filters, forms. Reduce. What is reduce? It converts array into one value, JS. Let prices equal to 100, 200, 300. Let total equal to prices, reduce, sum, price, equal tosum plus price, 0. Output, 600. Used for total, bill, salary calculation. Objects. What is an object? An object stores data in key, value form, JS. Let user equal to name Ali, age, 22. Is student. True. Why? To store user data. To work with APIs. To build real apps. Access object data. JS. User.name. Ali. User age. 22. DOM. Document object model. What is DOM? DOM allows JavaScript to control HTML. JavaScript can change text, change style, react to clicks. Hashtag example. HTML. HNID equal to title welcome less than H1. JS. Document.getElementByte, title. .inner, HTML. Equal to hello JavaScript. Text on web page changes instantly. Hashtag common DOM methods. GetElementByte, query selector, query selector all. Hashtag 5 events. What is an event? An event happens when a user does something. Examples. Click button, submit, form, press key. Hashtag example. JS. Button.add event listener, click, function, alert, button clicked. An user clicks, JavaScript runs. Hashtag 6 form validation. What is validation? Validation checks user input before sending data. JS. If email equal to alert, email is required. Events wrong data. Improve security. Hashtag 7 timing functions. Set timeout. Runs code after some time. JS. Set timeout. Equal to greater than console.log. Hello after 2 seconds. 2000. Set interval. Runs code again and again. JS. Set interval. Equal to greater than log every second. 1000. Functions. Functions are the building blocks of JavaScript. To write clean code, you must master both traditional and modern syntax. Function declaration versus arrow functions. While traditional functions are still valid, arrow functions, ES6+, are preferred in modern development, like React, for their conciseness. Feature function declaration, arrow function, modern, syntax function, greet, n. Const greet equal to n, equal to readability explicit and descriptive short and clean. Example, modern arrow function, const greet equal to name equal to greater than hello. Name console.log. Greet Ali. Output. Hello Ali. Powerful array methods. Handling lists of data is a daily task for developers. Beyond basic push and pop, modern JavaScript uses high-order methods to transform data. The big three methods, map, creates a new array by applying logic to every element. Filter creates a subset of the array based on a condition. Reduce condenses an entire array into a single value, for example, a sum. Example, reduce. Const prices equal to calculating the total bill equal to price equal to sum console.log. Objects and data structures. Objects allow you to group related data into key value pairs. This is the primary format used when receiving data from APIs. Example, const user equal to name Ali, age 22, is student true. Accessing properties, console.log, user.name, output Ali. DOM manipulation. The document object model DOM is the programming interface for web documents. It allows JavaScript to talk to HTML and CSS. Document.query selector selects elements using CSS selectors. Inner HTML dynamically updates the text or HTML inside an element. Style modifies CSS properties directly via JavaScript. Example, changing a heading's text instantly. Document Jetlant bide title .inner HTML equal to welcome to my app. Timing and asynchronous logic. JavaScript provides built-in functions to handle tasks that require a delay or repetition. Set timeout executes code once after a specified delay. Set interval repeats code execution at a set time interval. Example, JavaScript runs once after 2 seconds. Set timeout equal to greater than console.log timed notification appeared. 2000. I hope you have clearly understood today's video and found it helpful. If this video helped you learn something new, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more such content, and leave your questions or feedback in the comment section below. Also, share this video with your friends who are learning JavaScript so they can benefit as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.